Unlocking the phrase, well into, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the phrase, well into. It's a small phrase, but it packs a punch in terms of meaning and is widely used in everyday English. So, if you've ever pondered what it means to be well into something, this video is for you. At first glance, well into seems straightforward. It combines the word well, which often means in good health, or thoroughly, with into, suggesting movement towards something. But when put together, well into has a specific meaning. It is used to indicate that something is in an advanced state or stage. Let's look at some examples. We're well into the 21st century now. She was well into her book and didn't hear me enter. In both instances, well into signifies being far along in time or an activity. Well into isn't just for time and activities. It's also about progress and extent. This phrase can describe being deeply involved in a state or process. Emotional involvement. He was well into his feelings, barely noticing the world around him. Physical progress. They are well into the construction of the new bridge. The key takeaway is that well into adds depth to the status or degree of involvement. When learning to use well into, it's crucial to distinguish it from simply into. Saying into might imply the beginning or just being part of something, whereas well into emphasizes a substantial progression or deep involvement. Incorrect. I'm into the second chapter of my novel. This suggests you've just started. Correct. I'm well into the second chapter of my novel. This suggests you've made significant progress. Thank you for watching. I hope this video clarifies the phrase, well into, and you're now well into understanding how to use it confidently in your conversations and writing. Keep practicing, and you'll be well into becoming a proficient English speaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.